Hello, welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be giving this little white metal house a makeover. I got this from Five Below for $3 and I am super excited to show you what I did with it. This is the same house after I gave it a bit of spray paint. It was Rust-Oleum in Espresso, I believe, and I am using caulking that I got from the Dollar Tree to make some frosting slash snow on top. Now I know y'all see the little Dollar Tree house sitting over here. It was going to be a part of this video, but I was having a little bit of issues with it, so if I can fix everything that I feel like I saw a bunch of videos on this house and everybody made it seem so easy. I don't know, maybe it's just me because I'm a rookie in the crafting game, but I'll definitely get back to that little mini Dollar Tree house. But right now I am just spreading the caulking around, swirling it about, trying to cover up the brown underneath. I probably should have left the roof white. That probably would have made it a little bit easier, but it wasn't too hard to cover it up. My little faux gumdrops onto the roof. I really wanted to cover the entire roof with these, but I didn't have enough, so I just decided to do a line on each side of the roof. These are from the My Little Christmas collection at Hobby Lobby. Everything is 50% off, so if you can find these, they will be half price, which I think would be $1.50. So I'm not using glue or anything, I'm simply nestling it down into the wet caulk. And once I have everything placed, I cover it in glitter, of course. So I found these candy cane striped straws that I got from Hobby Lobby last year, and I had some left over, so I cut them in half and used them to embellish the sides of the house. And I took some puffy paint and outlined the windows and the door, and I'm taking more caulking and putting it towards the bottom to make it look like, you know, there's a pile of snow in front of the house. Then I take some adorable little gingerbread ornaments. I cut off the string and I hot glue them onto the sides of the door and nestle. I just put hot glue on the top half and nestle the bottom half into the caulking. is sitting on my counter next to my other gingerbread stuff. It is a little darker than I would have hoped, but it's still really cute. I added the little mini peppermints on there and the little lollipops. They are so cute, and of course I added some fairy lights. This was probably my favorite project I've done so far, and I absolutely adore it. Thank y'all so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and come back tomorrow because we will have day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas. Thank you. Bye.